Hello dear, how are you? Have you had your breakfast? Okay dear, have you had your homework? What class do you read in? I read in class? What class do you read in? Okay, show me your English book. তোমাদের ইংরেজি বই আমাকে দেখাও. Show me your English book. Very good. Very good. Have you had your breakfast? Okay, show me your English book. Very good. Show me your English book. Very good. Okay. Touch your nose, touch your ear, touch your neck, touch your hair, okay, dear students, sit down, stand up again, stand up, take your breakfast, okay, comb your hair, iron your clothes, take your bag now, go to school.